Welcome to LearnScoutsBSA.com. Today we'll be talking about the Taut-line knot. Now the Taut-line knot is used in tying tents and tarps to stakes to keep them tight throughout the day. These tent tensioners have largely replaced the taut-line, but what happens when the tensioner breaks? You still need to know this knot. And remember, this knot can slip and lock when it's tight. So this end over here is going to the tent or the tarp or the fly, and the stick here is the stake. So as you're bringing it around the stake, you're going to be doing bends, right? You're going to be doing half hitches. So you're going to be going over. Notice how the rope is going over, right? You're going to do that twice. You're just going to wrap it twice. It's important that you're doing this twice. Now you're going to go over it, right? But remember, you're wrapping it twice, going over the rope the same way. So now you're going to go above what you've just done, and you're going to tuck it under. You're going to go right through that loop that you just made. And at that point, you can cinch it in and keep it tight. See, now you have 1, 2, 3. 3 bends to it. Pretty easy. Okay, the taut line. It's used to keep tent ropes tight. It can slip, but it will lock when it's tightened, which is to say when the tent is being shaken by wind or rain and it gets loose, you can go back over and tighten it back up and you'll be good to go. So, learn more at LearnScoutsBSA.com.